Good morning, students. I am Dr. Chavi Saxena of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Arya College of Engineering and IT, Jaipur. Dear students, we go through a lot of functions in our function part 1, part 2 videos. Here we discuss more about functions. Parameters. What are parameters? There are there are two types of parameters, actual parameters and formal parameters. The parameters that appear in function calls. During the function call, the parameter we used are called actual parameters, whereas the functions declared in the function declaration part that are called formal parameters. The difference between these parameters are done on the criteria, related functions and the data types. The related functions, the actual parameters are passed by the calling function. Who passed the actual parameters? The calling function. Whereas the formal parameters are in the called function. In actual parameters, there is no mentioning of data types, only the value is mentioned, whereas in formal parameters, the data types of the received value should be included. Which type of value it holds. Now, call by value and call by reference. For calling a function, there are two ways. By default, C uses call by value to pass arguments. In the coming slides, we discuss call by value and call by reference in detail with example. Now, call by value. Here the actual value of arguments are copied into the formal parameters of the function. C language by default pass arguments with call by value method because this method does not affect the actual parameters. Here is an example for the call by value. First of all, we declare a function swap. It has two arguments x and y. Then the main function, we have a local variables for the main function a and b. A's value is 100, b is equal to 200. Now we print the value before the swap a and b, then calling a function to swap the values. Now swap a and b. Here the function is called. As this line is executed by the compiler, the control moves to the swap function definition where the definition is written. Here there are two variables int x and y that gets the value from the actual parameters of the calling function. तो x is equal to a हो जाएगा, that is equals to 100, y is equal to b, that is equals to 200, and then here is a local variable temp1. Temp is equal to x is equal to y is equal to temp. The logic is applied. Here the values are swapped, and then after running or executing the swap function, the control comes back to the main function, then print the value a and b. Here is the output. Before swap, a is equal to 100, b is equal to 200, and after swap, a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 200. Now call by reference. Here passing arguments to the function copies the address of an argument into the formal parameters. Inside the function, the actual argument are assessed by using address. Due to use of address, the changes are made to the parameters affect the passed arguments. Here is an example. Swap function, we declare a pointer and this pointer address is used in the swap function, swap and A and B. When the swap function is executed, here it is written, swap function is executed, it changes the values in the memory. So actually using the address or the pointer, the actual value has been changed. And here is the output. Value of A is 100, value of B is 200 before swap, and after swap A will become 200 and value of B become 100, because here the swapping done on the address of the arguments. Actual value has changed, whereas when we use call by value, the actual value does not change. Now recursion. A function that call itself is known as a recursive function. When a function call itself again and again, then it is called a recursive function, and the process is known as recursion. See how the recursion works. Void recurs, then recurse function call itself again and again. In the example you can see that main, the compiler starts the execution from the main function. Recurse function is called. Then the control moves to the recurse function. Again the recurse function is called. A recurse function is called again and again. The same function is called again and again, and this is called recursion. This stops only when the condition becomes false. Here is an example for the factorial of a number using recursion. Main, we declare a function fact, return type is long integer and the variable passed is of integer type. Main, int n variable is declared, take the n value from the user, and then printf statement where we call the fact n function. When the fact n function is called, the value of n is passed to the variable n where the function definition is given. Here, if n is greater than equals to 1, return n into fact into n minus 1. Here again fact n minus 1 is called, then the function is executed recursively till the n becomes becomes greater than or equals to 1. As soon as value of n becomes 0, else condition is run and the control moves back to the main function. This is a simple example for recursion. Thank you, students.